Just last week, I passed a dance at 7 a.m. that was just about finishing. If it's one thing we love to do, it's party. Now, speaking of parties, there's a lot going on. And you know, we got the hookup right here.
5M Promotions presents Girls Rush, All White Edition, April 30, 59 Manningsville Road, Elite Sports Bar.
Well, you know, this is an all-inclusive event and it's 1,200 pre-sold, 1,500 at the gate, 1,000 with college ID. It's all-inclusive, eat and drink all night.
Replay is on April 26th at the Dearmore Hotspot, 80 Constant Spring Road. Yes, so gates open at 6, showtime 8 p.m.
Carnival Mama Wagwan.
Well, our carnival is just like the big one, the road march, the whole party, everything. The road march begins 10 a.m. right at the Olympic police station right there on Olympic Way.
Nice.
And we'll take on the road march right through the area. Waterhouse, Painland, Cockburn, Penn, name it, the whole Kingston 11.
I don't know, Dips a Daybreak, April 29th, Fort Clarence Beach, 5 a.m.
And it's going to be epic. The girls are going to be out. I know the Intense team is going to be there.
Definitely.
So we're going to have a good time. I implore everybody to come out.
Of course, we always say party hard, but always drink responsibly. And especially when you're chipping down the road tomorrow, keep hydrated. Now, speaking about tomorrow, Heineken is putting on a little something extra. What's intense about Rio?
So I have Sue with me and she's going to tell us about Heineken Rio. Sue, what's going on?
Well, all the roads lead to Rio this Sunday. It's the place to start and to finish Carnival. It's the best seat in the house to watch all the bands pass. In fact, you get to see it twice. And then you end at Rio for the ultimate party excitement. All bands leading, especially the Exodus band that we're partnered with, that makes its official destination at Heineken Rio this year.
All right, cool. So I know for Revelers, you guys would usually have a free entry. Or is there an entry fee for everyone this year, or is it the same thing?
So it's the same. All revelers enter free. Exodus revelers, of course, specially banded, will have a designated spot at Heineken Rio. That's their last spot, the last lap.
Nice.
We also encourage all revelers to come on out because entry is free. There is an entry fee, however, for non-revelers. It's 1,500 pre-sold and it's 2,000 at the gate.
Nice.
So you can get your tickets at G-Wiz, Ribbies, Triple Century, A-Bar, and Escape.
All right, so where is the venue going to be this year?
It's 1 Waterloo Road, known as the Keg.
Okay.
Same space, right across from Devon House. Parking is going to be at Terra Nova, at YMCA, and below on Hope Road. But it's right there in the heart of the carnival space, so you have to come on over.
Nice. So we know that Rio happens, or has been happening for quite some time now. What's going to make this year different?
Well, this is the 4th staging of Heineken Rio, and after 3 years of charm last year, we rammed the venue. This year, we thought, okay, how do we take it up a notch? So we decided to come up with Mardi Gras,
Nice.
the spirit of Carnival, and certainly giving that feel of releasing your inhibitions. So we'll be masking you at the gate,
Nice.
and opportunity for you to win beads. You know, the ladies love that. And guess what? There's a surprise. The lady with the most beads
Okay.
at Heineken Rio
Okay.
wins a weekend for 2 at Secrets in Montego
All right,
Bay.
so what do we have to do to win these beads?
Get on with your baddest self.
Make sure you check out Rio tomorrow during and after the road march. And of course, look out for the entire Intense team on the road. Up next, drama at Contendo. And who misbehaved at Beach Juve? It's all revealed on the other side of this break.